In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to end your songs with Suno AI 2025. Whether you're an experienced producer or just dipping your toes into the world of music creation, knowing how to finish your tracks with a polished touch can make all the difference. Today, I'm here to guide you through this process using the innovative capabilities of Suno AI. So let's dive right in. First, we start our journey by opening up your preferred web browser and heading over to Google. In the search bar, type in Suno AI to locate their official website. This platform is designed to assist musicians and creators by providing powerful music tools. Once you see the Suno AI link, go ahead and click to enter the site and explore their offerings. Upon reaching the Suno AI homepage, you'll want to locate and click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial as it allows you to access your account's features and settings. Now, if you're already a registered user, input your credentials to log in. If not, take this time to sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process and will unlock a suite of tools for your music projects. Once you're logged in, the next step is to initiate your creative process by clicking on Create. This option will open up a workspace where you can start crafting your musical ideas into reality. When prompted, select the Custom option, as this will give you the flexibility to tailor your song to your needs and preferences. Now comes the exciting part, creating your song description. This is where you set the foundation for what your song will eventually sound like. Be sure to articulate clearly what you want, keeping in mind the tone, mood, and style you're aiming to achieve. Don't forget to include the word outro in your description. By doing this, you're signaling to the AI that you want help in crafting a fitting end to your track. With your song description all set, click on Create. This action prompts Suno AI to begin processing your request, using its advanced algorithms to generate an outro that aligns with your specifications. Give it a moment to work its magic, and soon enough, your song will be complete with a smooth, professional-sounding ending. The final step in this journey is to download your completed track. For this, look for the three-dotted icon next to your song file. Clicking here will provide you with a download option. Simply press download, and your completed song, with that perfectly crafted outro, will land safely on your device, ready for sharing or further production. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to end your songs using Suno AI 2025. With these tools and tips, you're well equipped to perfect any music project. So get out there and let your creativity flow. Happy producing?